The Igbo Speaking Community in Lagos State has empowered widows in commemoration of the World Women's Day globally. The program, which was held in Surulere at the National Stadium, it was aimed to inspire and embrace harmony among the indigenous members of the Igbo community.
Today is a great day in the life of Igbo Speaking Community for remembering the poor and the less privileged. It has been a yearly event. We do it in the women's wing. On my own level, I do it as well to my own capacity. So I appreciate all that came today, especially those who supported what our women are doing. I cannot mention them individually, but I know that God will reward them according to their effort and the resources they have put in to make sure that this event holds today.
Honestly speaking, I'm so happy. Let me just use that word because I just don't know the actual word to use to quantify it. That's what I'm saying here. To the greatest of my surprise, I never knew such thing has been existing because this is the first time I'm even hearing about it or saying it. I'm impressed and I give it to them. And I decided, because what they are doing, they are really doing well from all the things. I made interviews, I made findings about them. I had to do a lot of findings about them to be sure of what I was coming for. And I heard so many good things about them. They are really trying. It's not easy. And I think they really need more support, which I personally too, because I love what they are doing. The empowerment, you know what it is to empower widows? And they are trying. And I made up my mind. I said to myself, I want to be part of them my own way, one way or the other. Because I love giving already.
The empowerment program was centered on assisting widows, members of the community, and individuals to enable them to become self-independent through training, handwork, and financial materials to cushion the effects of the oil subsidy removal from the federal government of Nigeria.
Being here is to support our women, the Igbo Speaking Community Women's Wing in Lagos. They are here for a special program of empowerment and awards to deserving Igbo sons and daughters, and to empower some widows, up to 20 each from every local government. And I think it's a very great something without waiting on the government.
Today is a celebration of the Women's Wing, the Igbo Speaking Community Lagos State. We're celebrating the Women's Day, and also we're giving palliative to the widows and then the less privileged amongst us. For my NGO, I've been doing this for quite some time. I've been doing this for more than 5 years. But for this organization, this is the first time I'm actually giving palliative to the widows and the less privileged. And I'm hoping to do this more often as God allows us to do it, so we keep doing it.
Well, as the Igbo Speaking Community Women Leader Lagos State, we are here to celebrate Women's Day 2003 and to appreciate our widows and less privileged among us. Now we see that our women here in Lagos State are suffering, especially the widows. After the COVID and this fuel subsidy, we find out that it's not easy for the women to cope. Then we decided to move around, to beg, to appeal for our members.
The high point of the event was the distribution of food items to the needy.
On behalf of my NGO, I'm giving you this. Amen. Amen. Amen.
In the same vein, members were also awarded for exemplary performance and were honored with an award of excellence. In Lagos, Jennifer Nwosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.